Kurumirira tharikira cia Mbaara iria irathie na mbere gatagati ka bururi wa Israel na gicigo kia Gaza na gutiga kimumu kia andu makuite na angi matari na uikaro thutha wa nyumba cio gututhurwo na bomu. Muthikabu wa kanitha wa Gatoreki ARCHDIOCESE ya Nairobi PHILLIP ANYOLO NIORITIE arumiriri a ndini ya GIKRISTIANO KUHOERA thayo cokerere mabururi-ini maya.
Kuna vita in Kenya, we are not stable. We are not stable yet. We have to pray for our country. Sawa. We have to pray for our country, and we can only be stable if we are stable in our hearts.
Kwena Mbaara rirathie na mbere riu Israeli na KURIA mwena wa Gaza oiga tuhoe.
Akiaria ari kiharo-ini kia Duberi kaunti ya Kiambu, ANYOLO ni ugite hari fata ARCHDIOCESE kunyita itemi mahoya-ini maya kuona Mbaara ici ciahota gucungiriria ithagathago mabururi-ini mangi thiini wa thi. Miario yake ni nyitirwo mbaru ni muikariri giti wa ndinari ya Kiambu Anthony Kang'ethe akiuga ni undu wa kieha kuona ciana, atumia na andu akuru makiuragwo Mbaara-ini ici hatari gitumi.
Mbaara ino ni rahutia muno andu matari no hoti wa kwigitira muno makiria atumia na ciana ona andu matari aturi-ini uhoro wa Mbaara.
Mwena-ini wao atongoria a ikundi tiganite kuma ndini-ini ya Gĩithĩramu ni mokireire bururi wa Israel ni kiria maugite ni wagararite ihoto cia mundu na watho kurumirira Mbaara yao kuri muingi wa Palestine uria uikaraga gicigo-ini kia Gaza kuria gukinyaniria na riu makiria ma andu 2,300 ni moragitwo.
On the state of the genocide and aggression against the Palestinian people in Gaza Strip had no parallel in the history of humanity.
Atongoria yani mokireire tharikira cia bomu iria iratuthurwo ni bururi wa Israel kuri makiria ma andu 2.3 aria maikaraga Gaza na gucungiriria wagi wa irio, mai, dawa hamwe na thitima.
The intention is to move the Palestinians in Gaza who have been blockaded for the last 16 years.
The Israeli government has made an unprecedented request or demand that 1.1 million people should leave their home areas and flee into the south.
Ni maugite ni uhoro wa kieha kuona muingi wa Palestine uria waingirire gicigo-ini kia Gaza makiria wa miaka 75 mihituku ukihamurithio kia hinya na kuona ona nyumba cia riuriro, kambi, mathukuru, mithigiti, mathibitari itirerisha tharikira ici.
Palestinians' lives matter. What is happening now, these mass atrocities, is crimes against humanity.
The Zionists moved on land which was not occupied by a people, started displacing them, and it still continues up to today.
Atongoria yani mokireire bururi wa Amerika thutha wa kwirikana ni uheanite uteithio wa matharaita maritu ma Mbaara hamwe na ndege cia Mbaara kuri bururi wa Israel niguo kuhamurithia muingi wa Palestine ginyanagia weru-ini wa Sinai kana mabururi-ini mangi thiini wa thi.
The American government has just mobilized one of its strongest fleet of aircraft carriers, submarines equipped with nuclear power to come and support Israel.
Handu-ini ha KAMEME TV jitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.